How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the new Apple TV Siri Remote. This was announced a while back along with the new iMacs, iPad, and AirTags. We checked out the AirTags a few weeks ago when those came out. Today is iMac Day, iPad Day, and new Apple TV. While I don't have the new Apple TV, I have the new remote. I also have all the other remotes right here next to me so we can compare them, see what's different, and see if it's worth picking up this remote. Cool thing about this is that this brand new Siri Remote works on all of the newer Apple TV. So that's the Apple TV HD, 4K, and then obviously the new one that just came out. If you buy a new Apple TV today, it will come with this remote. You don't have to get it separately, but I have an Apple TV HD, the one from, I don't know, way back like 5 years ago or something. The thicker ones, once they make them thicker, this will work with that. So that's what I have right here. So on the front, we have a picture of the remote. On the side, it says Siri Remote. On the back, it says compatible with Apple TV 4th generation or later. So that is the Apple TV HD or newer. And down here, we can see it says Siri Remote 2nd generation. So just a quick look here. This is the original Apple TV remote. This is actually kind of similar to what we have here. And then we have the current or the 1st generation Siri Remote. So it's kind of a combination between the two, put them together and you get something like this. So I'm excited to check that out. They did make a iteration on this one with a white circle around the menu button. This is the original Siri Remote. Then they have an iteration of that with the white circle because people kept getting it confused top from bottom. This should hopefully fix that. And the circle thing was just temporary, I guess. Pulling out a box, we get this tray, little pull tab to lift up the remote. That's really heavy. That's the first thing I noticed. It's quite heavy, actually. On the back, we have a little tab with more information. And in here, we get a charging cable. This is just Lightning to USB-A. No USB-C, unfortunately, but it's kind of cool to give you a charging cable. And we also get some information about the Siri Remote. First thing I notice is wrapper is paper, not plastic, so good job, Apple. Way to think about the environment. But here it is. It's curved on the back is another thing I noticed right away. So it's going to feel a little bit better in the hand. This is really heavy. I just can't get over how heavy this is. We had a little bit of curvature on the edges, but not on the back, so this should be a little bit more ergonomic if you're really holding it for an extended period of time. On the side, we have our dedicated Siri button. They say that's just like the side button on your phone, where you just press the lock button on your phone and you talk to it. We also have a dedicated power button. This can turn off your TV just like it normally could when you turn it off, but before you had to press and hold this menu button, or the home button, and then it would open up the power menu. But now you can do it from here. We'll take a look in settings later and see if we can toggle that for everything on the TV or just the Apple TV. We also have this iPod style click wheel. Supposedly this is still touchpad, just like this. I really like the touchpad. Some people don't. I find it pretty good. I like the touchpad. But so we should still have all the same touch functionality that we have before, but we also have iPod quick wheel function. So we can scroll and we can jog around, and we should be able to scrub a little bit better through our shows. We have our 4-way click on here as well, and we also have our sounder button that also clicks. We still have the same TV button, which just acts like a home button, although I would have liked to have seen them change this TV to a home button, like the home symbol on an older iPhone. It's a little bit easier to explain to people this is just like a home button on their phone, but this TV button doesn't quite make as much sense. We also have the same volume buttons here, and then the pause play has been swapped a little bit. So now it's up here instead of down below. A little bit easier to reach, not as hard to get down to, I think. New is the mute button. So if you want to mute something instead of pausing it, you can do that now. And instead of menu, which didn't quite make sense, we now have back. And this is also a little bit indented here, so you can tell the difference between back and home. This one's a little bit indented. This one is just flat. On the top, we have our IR transmitter, I guess. And on the bottom is a lightning port. So it's kind of funky actually. You can see there's screws in there, so I guess that's how it comes apart. And on the back we have our Apple logo. So that's the new remote. Let's take a look and see how it looks compared to the other ones here. And you can see quite a bit of similarity between them actually. This has the similar 4 dots around just like this, but we're bringing over the trackpad functionality, and then most of these buttons are the same. So it's a little bit of a combination between the two, and I'm really excited to try it, set it up, and see how it looks. I think it's going to work out really great. So anyway, that is all for this video. If you want to see more information about how it works, some of the features you can do with it, let me know in the comment section below. We can make a video about that, and we can do another video on its features. So let me know if you want to see that. But anyway, that is all for this video. If you have any questions about the remote, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave it a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AdTech, and I will see you in the next one.